One of the most important milestones for Team One Plastics was the creation of our championship dream in 1999. This document is similar to other companies' vision statements. Developed by input from owners and team members, it provides direction and focus for the company in 4 areas: customer service excellence, team member success, positive community member, and freedom to succeed. Because customer service excellence is considered a vital part of every team member's job, there is a company-wide focus on continual improvement. Team One Plastics' motto tells it all. We want to be the customer's #1 team in precision and transparent plastic injection molding. But what does that look like on a day-to-day basis? Travis Castle, project engineer, shared with us that customer service excellence means meeting the customer's expectations.
Our new customer, Mala, we won a job from them. They had some requirements that was new to Team One that after further investigating and some small investments, we were able to meet their expectations and provide them the data they required.
To measure if the company is meeting our customers' expectations, Team One garners input from our customers. Using customer surveys, we find out how we are doing. Of course, the goal is to always have 100% of our current customers say that they would recommend Team One to other plastic components buyers. Many of our customers rank their suppliers in best overall value and service, quality, delivery, and price. Team One Plastics continues to receive high marks and sometimes awards from our customers. In her role as customer service assistant, Sandy Bunker works directly with our customers every day. She finds that communication is the key to customer service excellence.
Communication is a key to customer service. If you have good communication with your customers, they seem pretty happy. I just got a good report on a survey that we took about being good customer service. Well, today, Manning-Humboldt, Tennessee called and they needed parts shipped today to arrive by Monday. And I went out to the warehouse and got with Tammy and we got parts ready to ship and they're being shipped today.
Team One Plastics believes that the key to building an exceptional company is to build an exceptional team made up of exceptional people, and that includes you. We are always looking for people who are honest, demonstrate a high level of integrity, have an eagerness to learn, contribute to a safe work environment, and value each member of our diverse workforce. And Team One wants to help you grow and develop as a person and as a team member. The company is filled with examples of team members who take advantage of the training and advancement opportunities that we offer. Hisham Yahia began as a production assistant on the plant floor. He shared his story with us.
I've been here for 10 years. I started as a temp production assistant. I got promoted to do shipping and receiving, which is completing orders in the warehouse. Then got promoted to a captain position, which is a die setter. Then an opening for a lead captain position came. I applied for that position and I did not get it for that time. 2 months later, a lead captain position came open again, so I applied for that second time and I ended up getting it. So that's because I felt that the first time did not stop me from getting it, so I will try it again and I will keep trying. Then a process technician position came open about 1.5 years ago. So I applied for that position and I got that position. And within a week, the plant manager came to me and offered me a process engineer position, and I accepted that position. There's a lot of people dependent on me, and I feel that I'm important and I can go higher than what process engineer is, maybe plant manager,
Not only do we want to help with your development, we want to make sure that you are working in a safe environment. We know that safety and well-being of our team members is vital to the success of the company. Emphasis on safety is so prevalent at Team One that each day without a lost time accident is recorded on the safety counters in the plant. And when we pass a 500-day milestone of being accident-free, we celebrate together with food, gifts, and commemorative photographs. Team One Plastics values the long-term relationship it has with the City of Albion and our local communities. We continue to strive to be a positive community member in many ways. One way is by contributing financial resources to local organizations in the Calhoun and Jackson County areas, focusing on the youth in the community. One of our partners in this endeavor is the Albion Community Foundation. Its executive director, Tim Kraus, graciously shared his perspective of Team One's contributions to the community.
The overall theme over the last 20 years has been youth. Team One has taken a particular focus on youth with their projects. That's kind of morphed over the years as to the different needs of the community. So in the past couple years, with the school district and everything, Team One was really into helping build those extracurricular activities. Team One helped fund a trip to Chicago for the 8th graders. Also, an after-school program that's called the Gentlemen's Club. One of the coolest ones is it was an underwater robotics competition. I don't know how that worked, and quite honestly, I really want to see how it worked because I wish they had done stuff like that back when I was in school. Albion's Big Read is part of a national program through the National Endowment for the Arts. In the month of October, the community comes together and we all read the same book and we discuss it. Albion's Big Read really took on a youth leadership role. They wanted it to become more than just people sitting around reading. They wanted youth-led discussions. Part of that is a summer program where all of these youth leaders that are going to eventually lead the discussions for the city, they go through a training. They read the book, they talk about the book, they learn how to facilitate productive dialogue. Team One contributed their grant this year to the youth leadership portion, which happens outside of October.
Encouraging young people to explore the opportunities that exist in manufacturing and in STEM careers has been the focus of Team One's community involvement. For example, we were an inaugural member of Marshall Public Schools STEP program and an initial sponsor of its Red Hot Chili Bots robotics team. Dr. Randall Davis, superintendent for Marshall Public Schools, graciously shared his perspective of the role that Team One has served the school district's students.
Team One has been outstanding as a partner for us, and what it means for a positive community member is to focus in on what's in the best interest of the community, those that are employed in the community, those that work in the community, live in the community, and those that go to school in the community. And Team One has been an outstanding partner with us in the academic area and the school area. They support, number one, our STEM efforts and what we do with robotics, and we're in the STEM lab for the middle school. We also have a STEM lab up at the high school. Last year, our first STEP inaugural year, we had 11 active students that were graduating seniors that have already made their commitments, so it's kind of a disjoint, but we learned from that, and now we have like 32 that are active participants in the STEP program, and 5 of them are female. So having female students interested in the industrial manufacturing side of things is outstanding. We're very excited. Well, of course, there's all kinds of ways that people can contribute. So they're involved in supporting us in that way, both financially and also with some expertise. They also are involved with our Skilled Trades and Engineering Partnership. We have, I think, like 20 team members on the robotics team with Red Hot Chili Bots. And then we also then pushed that program into our middle school. Now we have at least 20 students, I think close to 30 in the middle school that are interested in robotics, and we have 2 teams down here. And we had 2 teams up at the high school because of the interest. So it's just kind of growing. And Craig Carroll has been a voice in our community from the manufacturing industry side of the things in regards to what we're doing for economic development, how do we create a more effective workforce, and those types of things. And so he's been with us since day one.
The company also encourages our team members and their families to volunteer their time and resources. The final tenet of the championship dream is freedom to succeed. It reflects a core value of doing business in the United States. In America, you have a choice. You choose where you want to work. You make your choices based on your priorities and what's best for you and your family. And our customers and suppliers choose whether or not to partner with Team One. And Team One supports your right to choose. Andy Zabluski is a tool maintenance specialist for Team One. In 2010, based on his family's priorities, he chose to begin working at Team One.
I started here approximately 6 years ago in the maintenance department as a tool maintenance. They've sent me to a lot of schooling. It didn't really push me. They showed me options I had. I took different classes, and 6 years later I'm now the maintenance captain. For younger guys, I have 2 of them right now in my department. One right out of high school. He started here pretty much the week after he left. And he's going to RMTC in Battle Creek. As long as he keeps his grades up, Team One will fully reimburse him, and he'll be a full-fledged maintenance person after 2 years. Another person, he worked on the floor for a number of years. He came into the maintenance department through our maintenance training program. He's also going to RMTC, and about another year he'll be fully licensed electrician.
And now you've chosen to work here at Team One Plastics. We hope you agree that Team One Plastics is one of the best places to work in the plastics industry.